Let's walk through how to get help using our built-in support system. Click on Support and Guides in the sidebar, then select Support. This opens the ticket submission form. Fill in the subject, something short that describes your issue. Choose a category. Type your message in the description field. Be as specific as you can. What happened, what you expected, and any steps to reproduce the issue. If you need to share a screenshot or document, click the attachment area. You can upload JPEGs, PNGs, and PDFs. Once everything looks good, click Send. Your ticket is now created and sent to the support team. You'll also receive an email confirmation with your ticket number. You can track your ticket right here. On the right side, you'll see the Activity panel. This is where the conversation happens. You can chat directly with the support team. Type your reply in the reply box and click Reply to send. As the support team responds, you'll see their messages appear in the activity feed with timestamps. Watch the ticket status at the top. When the team starts working on your issue, it changes from Open to In Progress. You'll get a notification whenever the status changes, so you always know where things stand. Once your issue is resolved, the status changes to Resolved, and you'll get a final notification. To see all your submitted tickets, click My Tickets in the sidebar. You can track every ticket's status and last update from here. That's it.